Hi guys, Miss Banks here. I hope you guys are doing well. I miss you tremendously, but we do have to continue with the classroom to the cloud, so we're going to continue with our virtual learning, and I'm going to introduce to you our next standard. I ask that you'll follow along with me in this PowerPoint. Make sure you jot down any notes, any questions you may have, jot it down so you can get a chance at the end of this presentation, and you can email me or you can text me or you can get your parents to send me a message on Class Dojo. So let's all take a deep breath. Here we go. RI 5.8. We're going to explain how an author uses reasons and evidence to support particular points in a text, identifying which reasons and evidence support which points. What will you learn? In this standard, you will learn how an author uses evidence and reason to back up the points they are trying to make when writing a text. We're going to look at those two words, evidence and reason. And we're going to look at how an author uses those two things to back up the points they are trying to make when writing a text. Let's go a little deeper. What is evidence and reasoning? Many times, authors write to share their opinions or arguments for a particular topic. Now you may ask me, what is an argument, Ms. Banks? An argument involves the process of making a claim, which is a point, making your point, and then proving it with the use of reasons and evidence. So, you're going to have a topic, you're going to state your point, your claim, and then you're going to prove your point to be correct by giving reasons and evidence to back it up. So reason and evidence is the information that an author uses to support their opinion. Here's an explanation. Arguments equals the author's opinion. Once we have the author's opinion, then we're going to give evidence and reason to back up that author's opinion. That is also known as key details. Here's an anchor chart. Take a few minutes to look deeper into this anchor chart, and it simply says authors give reasons to support their points. So we have the author's points. In this area, we have the author's points or their claim. Whatever they say, their point, their claim, and they're going to back up their point with reasons and evidence to show us that what they are saying is true. They have to prove a point to us. So in order to prove their point to us, they're going to give us reasons and evidence to back it up. Definitions to remember. You have points the author presents to convince you an idea is real, reason, an explanation for why the idea might be true, and evidence. Evidence is a fact that can be proven true. So I talked about reason and evidence in the beginning, and I said that those were the two words we're going to be looking at. So once we have the author's opinion, they're going to use reason. That's going to be their explanation for why they think the idea might be true. And then they're going to bring in some facts, evidence, something that you can see. Evidence is something that you'll be able to see. So that is going to be a fact that we can pull from any source, any website. That's going to be evidence because it's a fact and it can be proven true. So I want you to look at those words. Make sure you write those down. If you have a notebook near you, make sure you write down those definitions. If you guys have any questions, please reach out to me. I am here to help you. Wednesday, Thursday, and Friday, I'm going to be sending you emails so we can set up times to have Google Meets. And you guys will be able to talk to me live, face-to-face, and give me any questions you may have. And we're just going to take some time to do a pulse check and see how you're going with us going into our third week of virtual learning. I hope you guys understand, and I'm here to help you. ECPPS strong.